Clemson University says a cow recently tested positive for BSE, better known as mad cow disease, at a South Carolina beef processing plant. Now, officials say the cow originally came from Tennessee and was quickly euthanized once they got the results. But in a statement, the state veterinarian said in part, quote, "This was an isolated case that occurred. The United States has a robust system of safeguards designed to protect human and animal health against BSE. Those safeguards were successful and prevented entry into the public and animal food supply systems." And you can find much more on this story on our website, foxcarolina.com.